Hey, Patrick here. So how to use AI to write a book? First of all, let's address that AI writing a book instead of the author is not new. Even before AI, most books were not written by the authors, most were ghostwritten or outsourced. However, with AI, it accelerates the process and hit the market quicker. And because of this acceleration, most content books will be less valuable. So how do you sell your book, regardless of writing it by yourself or getting the help of AI? Simple. People are buying for your experience, not just the content. After all, most books have the same content. Like, let's take personal development book. 3 rules of achieving success. Well, let's think. First, believe in yourself so that you will take action. Second, never give up. And third could be always be learning. It is how you share the content. The best way to share is through your experience. An AI written book with just content, it is not so fun to read, right? So make your content fun. Relate your experience to the key points of the content and make it personal. Let there be emotion to it, like you're having a conversation with the reader. Remember, eventually with AI, content will be in abundance.